Students, please note on your handout how you have it like this and then it's closed and you have written on the side. You are going to write the description of each one of these different text structures on this side. The next slide you're going to look at looks a little bit different than this. So please note where that information goes is on the back side right here, which you're fixing to look at. Students, now you're going to fill out the definition and or description piece of your foldable. So as I just said in your previous slide there, this is going to go on the back side of your handout. So underneath the definition for description, you will find description. The author provides several details of something to give the reader a mental picture of. And the visual often looks like a brainstorm web, and the clues that you'll use are many adjectives, characteristics, or examples. Those clues are words within the passage that help me know what type of text structure I'm looking at. The next one is compare and contrast. The definition of this text structure is one when the author discusses similarities and differences between people, things, concepts, or ideas. Oftentimes a visual here is a Venn diagram. I'm comparing and contrasting two things. Clue words that I look for are likenesses and differences are discussed, also both, in contrast, etc. Again, those are words within the passage that help me know which text structure I'm in. So compare, contrast, the author will be comparing and contrasting two things. The next text structure is order and sequence. In order and sequence, the author provides readers with chronological events or a list of steps in a procedure. So the clue words here are the events in order of occurrence. So I'll find words like first, second, third. Also instructions are given step by step. And then again, these order words of first, next, and etc. So it's chronological. It starts from the beginning to the end, or we also call this one order and sequence. The fourth structure we're going to look at is problem and solution. The definition of this one, the author gives information about a problem and explains more or the solutions. So the biggest thing here is to know is there's a clear problem given with a solution to it. And clue words I look for are the words problem and solved, solution. Okay? The last one is cause and effect. In cause and effect, the author describes an event or several events, cause, and the events that follow, effect. The biggest difference you're going to find between cause and effect and problem and solution is that cause and effect has a problem, but with no solution. So please make sure and write that note in your description. There's no solution given for cause and effect. It's just telling me a cause and the events that follow. Some of your clue words will be cause, because, effect, as a result, due to, and reason. Remember, if you see a problem in a text without a given solution, that is cause and effect. You've gone through all 5 different text structures now and taken the notes. Please be ready in class as we are going to analyze different types of structure. Also, continue to follow the rest of the video to make sure you've put this correctly in your composition notebook.